Dear pet parents, welcome to Doggy Words YouTube channel. I am Dr. S.K. Pandey working as senior consultant with Doggy Word. Today we'll be discussing about sources of different nutrients in dog. As we have discussed in our last video that there are various nutrients which are required from in dogs. So first most important nutrient which is required is protein. As we discussed, the protein is required to the tune of 30% dog. And today we are going to tell you about the sources of these nutrients, from where to get the protein. Protein can be derived from non-veg nutrients as well as veg nutrients. As you know, non-veg are better sources of protein in dogs compared to veg sources. So what are the sources of non-veg protein diet? Chicken, egg, fish, meat. They are very good source of protein in dogs. When you talk about the veg, then you get milk products. Milk sometimes dog does not digest, but you can always try it. Milk is a good source of protein. Curd, very good source of protein. Paneer, then you can try soya bean, you can try corn, you can try wheats and maybe some of the cereals. So by this you get a very good mix of protein by non-veg as well as veg sources. Talking about fats, where we get fats. Fats are very important, required to the tune of 15 to 20% in dog. And there are two categories of fat. One is good fat and other is bad fat. So good fats we can derive from non-veg sources like chicken, fish and maybe meat products. Then if you talk about the veg sources, then we have many veg sources and they are in the form of oil like olive oil, sunflower oil, flaxseed oil, canola oil, mustard oil, coconut oil. So these are all good sources of vegetable sources. Apart from that, egg yolk is very important constituent which is having fat, and peanut butter can also be used as a source of fat. And if you talk about bad fats which we should not use in dogs, they are butter, ghee, cream, etc. and processed and fried foods. Next we will talk about the sources of carbohydrate. There are many sources of carbohydrate and mainly what we can use in dogs: rice and wheat, corn, oats, barley, vegetable, fruit and beet pulp, dairy products. There are a lot of vegetables which have a lot of carbohydrate, and similarly about the fruits. As I told you, carbohydrate can be a simple carbohydrate to give energy, and it can be a complex carbohydrate for intestinal function like beet pulp, or it can be green vegetables. So these are the sources of carbohydrate. So talking about minerals and vitamins, don't worry about that. If we provide a good source of protein, fat, carbohydrate, so these minerals and vitamins are always inbuilt there. For example, sources of meat, sources of dairy product, it has enough quantity of minerals and vitamins. Apart from that, you can get minerals and vitamins from vegetables, you can get it from fruits. But in case of growth requirement, if you require more minerals and vitamins, then extra supplements can be provided to the dogs. Now talking about the vital elements. So vital elements like omega fatty acids. Omega fatty acids are very important for body, and omega fatty acids can be derived from good fats. So whatever good fat you give, then you get omega fatty acids. Glucosamine. Glucosamine is very important for bone building and the joint function. This you get from meat products. Taurine and carnitine, these also you get from meat products. And water, everybody knows from where you get. Lot of abundant water is there with us, and water can be used, whatever water you are drinking, filtered water, RO water. Give it not too chilled or not very hot, a comfortable temperature which dogs can take very easily. So these are the important sources of nutrients which I have discussed with you today, and I hope that you must have got some useful tips about the sources of different nutrients. Apart from these nutrients in independent different forms, you can also get these nutrients as a compiled form in the form of dog food, which you can consider for your dog. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, like and subscribe. We are present as Doggy Word Delhi in YouTube, Facebook as well as Instagram. Thank you so much.